Welcome back, Tech Social Tips. This is my third unboxing, and this time it's a generic it's a generic product I got from Amazon. I'm trying to give the little guys a chance here. It doesn't really have a specific name. It goes by many names actually. Arm support professional microphone, professional recording microphone stand, microphone suspension, boom scissors arm stand. I mean, they tried their best. They couldn't come up with a name, but I'm gonna unbox it. It's not professional as it says in the box. It's not a professional item at all, but we want to see if it can, stand up against the bigger products and how well it'll do. This is just a $30 microphone scissors arm stand. I think maybe in US it's probably like $24. So I want to unbox it, see how well it can do. So what I'm looking for here is a product that's even worth the time. I'm trying to do some ROI, return on investment, basically. Well, actually, literally. I want to see, is it worth the $30 to spend? And what value are you getting for $30? Should we price less, or is it a really good value for $30? And so far, it feels like a nice product. It's steel. It feels durable. It doesn't make a bit of sound when you hear that when you open and close it. It makes that sound. So a premium product most likely won't make that sound, but for $30, it's good enough. It holds out. This is the clamp, the mounting clamp that we use to put the arm in, and it has a really nice gap there that you can adjust to put on your desk. I'm going to be installing it on my window ledge, so that will be useful for me. And this is a shock mount for a mic that you have that's compatible with it. It feels what you would get for a $30 product. It doesn't feel premium at all, but I'm assuming it should do the job. The screw hole here is actually removable. This is a plastic part. You can take it out and you can insert the metal one in there. So they gave you two. You just have one extra. I'm pretty sure you probably want to use a metal one instead anyways. And it also comes with, so this is a metal one that also comes with it. It's interchangeable. So the microphone clip holder, the screw hole is not removable. So you have to resort to using the 3/8 screw hole on the microphone clip. These are the cable ties. You get 4 of them, and they all come stuck together. And you can see here there's 4 of them that comes in the packaging. So this is the instruction manual. It's pretty straightforward. Setting this thing up is not hard at all. There's not too many parts to sort out. And again, it does feel strong enough. It feels worth the $30. The finish is really nice. It's a nice clean black finish. It's more like a matte finish. It's not shiny at all, but it's well done. And this clamp, it actually attaches to the arm really good. You can tighten it down well enough so that it won't move after you tighten it. Again, this thing makes noise when you open it, but it works well enough for a $30 product. It's good. You can attach the shock mount, and the shock mount also has another knob where you can adjust the level of the mic after you put it in there. So that together with that metal part that's attached to the arm and the scissor arm itself, it really gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of when you position that mic. You can position it right where you need it. So it's a really nice feature. I say for $30 it's well worth it. Especially since you get these 2 adapters. It's 3/8 to 5/8. You get 2, one's plastic, one's metal. You can keep one as a spare because you really don't need to have 2 of them. It does suck that the microphone clip holder doesn't have that part removable. It is stationed in there, and you can see it here. It's just that you can't take it out. You can put that notch there too, but it's not even necessary.
And that's it. There's nothing more left in the box. I do have some other unboxing videos I'm going to be releasing soon. So if you want, stick around for that. Till next time. Peace.